Mittiway Smart Packing Company. Located in Dongguan, the manufacturing center of South China, Guangdong. Established in 2015, with an area of over 50 acres, an independent office building and garden-like staff dormitory. To make every worker work with a happy atmosphere. Mittiway is dedicated in the end of packing machine. Integrating of R&D, processing, production and sales. Our marketing department tries its best to meet the best packing case. Young and passionate sales team provide a full set of services from getting an order to delivery part. Mittiway has been moving forward for success. To become the benchmark of the industry is our pursuit. The engineering R&D team has been consistent for more than 10 years. Pay attention to talent cultivation and introduction, making Mittiway always master the core technical advantages. Products sold to the domestic and abroad market, like America, Germany, Japan, Spain, Pakistan, and South Korea, Vietnam and other more than 40 countries and regions. We take the idea of technology as the first productive force. The core of making packaging more intelligent is our goal, specializing in bag inserter, bag sealer machine, for household appliance bagging machine, for e-commerce product tray former, and other intelligent packaging equipment, such as bag tying machine, for new energy battery tray former, etc. Standardized manufacturing workshop, digital management of overall EMS operation, and modular manufacturing process. Controlling every detail of part. Mittiway makes production more efficient with standard quality. An independent workshop with multiple machines, simultaneously working and produce. The electronic control room formulates a safety system for each device. Make the equipment safer and more energy saving. Food industry. AGV unmanned intelligent factory, home appliance plant, and fruit industry, 3C industry, new energy industry, etc. Emphasizing intellectual property rights. Owning more than 50 patents of various types. Always keep idea of practice technology as the primary productive force. Serve the public with the heart of the win-win concept. Work together to create brilliance. Thanks.